Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: Python installed, Vscode up to date, and the Python and Jupyter extensions enabled. Open your project folder so the workspace loads settings correctly. Next, choose the interpreter at the bottom status bar. Pick the virtualenv or system Python you want to use. Once done, create a new IPenv file. This instantly gives you notebook cells. Make sure kernels are visible in the top right so you can run code right away. Now focus on the core workflow, connecting a kernel and organizing cells. Select the kernel matching your environment. If it is missing, install ipykernel in that env and register it. Split work into Markdown for notes and code for execution, running cells with Shift plus Enter or the inline play control. Use the interactive window for quick experiments and enable the variable explorer to inspect data. Also, adjust notebook settings, autosave, cell toolbar, and format on save. Finish by saving and sharing. Export to HTML or PDF for reports, or save as a Py script if you need plain code. Commit notebooks to Git but keep outputs cleared, or use nbdime to diff changes so merges stay sane. Make sure workspace settings are recorded in a Vscode folder for consistency. If the kernel fails to start, first reselect the interpreter, then run pip install upgrade ipykernel in that environment and restart Vscode. This fixes most kernel and environment mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.